Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Home Education. Today I am going to narrate the very easy summary of a trim of surgery, the first lesson from supplementary, footprint without feet from CBSE board class 10th. This is a very wonderful story, and before starting this story, I want to give the names of the characters who played the role in this story. In this story, there are mainly two characters, James Harriet and Mrs. Pumphrey. And now I am going to tell the story. Mrs. Pumphrey is a rich and prosperous lady, and she has a dog, and her dog is very fatty and healthy. It is lazy also. All the time it is sleeping here and there. Mrs. Pumphrey is worried about her dog. She is thinking that her dog is suffering from malnutrition. It is a type of disease. So she was consulting a veterinary doctor, James Harriet, who is also the friend of Mrs. Pumphrey. And Mrs. Pumphrey called on telephone to James Harriet, and she informed him about the situation of her dog. She told him that her dog is suffering from malnutrition, and he is not feeling very well. So James Harriet knew the habit of Mrs. Pumphrey very well. He knew that her dog was very fatty and healthy, and it was also lazy. So Mrs. James Harriet advised her not to give it so much food and vitamins food. But Mrs. Pumphrey was not doing this. She was thinking that her dog is weak, and therefore she was giving it very delicious and very delicious foods full of vitamins. She was giving it biscuits, she was giving it eggs, wine, and other delicious items. Therefore her dog was growing overfat, and each day it was growing lazy. And its situation was that when it was sitting on a place, it was unable to move from there. So finally Mrs. Pumphrey called once again to James Harriet, a veterinary doctor, and she complained about her dog. So Mr. James Harriet advised Mrs. Pumphrey that he will do a surgery to her dog, and after a surgery her dog will be recovered. So her dog was taken to the hospital of James Harriet. But James Harriet was not doing any surgery of that dog. At his hospital, he had already some dogs, and he was not treating very well as Mrs. Pumphrey was treating it. He had already some dogs, so he gave a bowl of he gave a bowl in front of Tricky, and this bowl was full of some foods. And when the bowl was put in front of Tricky, so other dogs came there running and started eating and licking the bowl, and Tricky was lazy, and it was unable to reach there. So each day it was trying to reach near the bowl, and slowly he was becoming sportive, because he wanted to run for food. And slowly he was standing and slowly moving, and one day he started running like the other dogs. It became lean and thin, and it was now it was now over sportive and active. During this period, Mrs. Pumphrey was asking about her dog to Mr. James Harriet, and she inquired about its health, and she was also sending some eggs and wine and other types of wine and other delicious items like chocolates and biscuits. So Mr. James Harriet was not giving these items to Pumphrey, too tricky, but he was enjoying these items as his breakfast. He was eating these items, he was drinking wine, he was taking eggs, and he was living a wonderful life. He was eating wonderful breakfast, and he had a very good life when Tricky was at his hospital. And he wanted to keep Tricky with him permanently, because Mrs. Pumphrey was sending very delicious items for Tricky, and he was using those items for his health. So he didn't like that he should send the dog to Mrs. Pumphrey. Anyway, finally the day came, and Mrs. Pumphrey asked about the health of Tricky, and Mr. Harriet replied her that now Tricky is very well, and if she wants, she can take her dog. Finally, Mrs. Pumphrey came to the hospital of James Harriet, and Tricky recognized its lady, and it ran to her lap, and it was licking her, and it was shaking its tail. It was happy, and Mrs. Pumphrey saw her dog. She was happy. She thought that her dog was recovered after a surgery, and it was the winning of surgery. It was a triumph of surgery. So Mr. James Harriet, who was a veterinary doctor, he didn't do any operation to the dog, but he only cut his foot, and only he knew what he did with the dog. And Mrs. Pumphrey was thinking that the doctor had done a very good surgery, and it was the triumph of surgery. So Tricky was taken to its house, and now he was given wonderful biscuits, wonderful food, eggs, wine, chocolate as before. But according to James Harriet, if Mrs. Pumphrey will not be careful again for her dog, then once again he will suffer from the same problem, of laziness and overweight. Anyway, the lesson finished, this summary finished, and so how do you like this summary? And comment me, give me your response, share this video to your friends who are in the similar class, because this is very important, and this is the first lesson of supplementary reader. And after listening this video, then write down its summary, and share this video to your friends, and subscribe my channel. And Jai Hind. Okay, stay at home,